Hello everyone, you're watching the English News Bulletin with me Sanjita Chetri, and the headlines for today's news are:
Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang met two students of Palja Namgyal Girls School who are selected to participate in the International School of Jug and Lucerne. First stakeholders meet for Sikkim Global Film Festival 2021 was conducted today at Manan Kendra. Sikkim is fully prepared for the COVID-19 vaccination. SKM coordination meeting held at Zonal Office Pakyong. A meeting of all Sikkim Scheduled Caste Ad hoc Committee held today at the Community Building of West Sikkim, Sri Badam. The 15th Meritorious Scholarship and Award Decoration Ceremony was held today in Tharpu Government Higher Secondary School, West Sikkim. Sikkim Youth Foundation resource person Akash Saditya Lama honored with the Kumud Bhushan Kala Sanskriti Samman. District Panchayat of Dodak provided assistance to 3 ICDS and 1 PHE. Teachers from Darjeeling Hills decided to take to the streets on 10th January.
now the news in details. Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang met two students of Palja Namgyal Girls School who are selected to participate in the International School of Jug and Lucerne. He met Disha Thapa, a 9th class student, and Sudeksha Pradhan, a class 11 student. The CM appreciated and congratulated them for having the opportunity to participate in such a big international level forum and assured all possible assistance from his side. Remarkably, these two students from the state are going to participate in the program representing the country. The first stakeholders meet for Sikkim Global Film Festival 2021 was conducted at Manan Kendra today. The meeting was chaired by the chairperson Sikkim Film Board, Mrs. Pooja Sharma. During the meeting, various issues were discussed regarding the organization of the festival. The meeting was attended by the Political Secretary to Chief Minister Jacob Khaling, Advisor IPR Department Birendra Tamling, Advisor IT Department Tenzing Lamta, Advisor Culture Department Bim Kumari Sharma, Chairperson Culture Heritage Sonam Sherpa, and Chairperson STDC Lukendra Rasaili. The Secretary IPR Department Sifora G. Targen, Secretary Commerce and Industries H.K. Chetri, Advisor Film Federation of India, Anita Gupta, and various stakeholders representing the Department of IPR Culture, IT, Commerce and Industries and other departments were also present. Among the attendees, prominent figures were senior filmmaker Ugen Chopel, Prasant Rasaili, Chief Coordinator, Contractor Association Lakpa Mokhtan, representative from Sikkim Film Cooperative Society, line producer Raj Sitaula, and other noted filmmakers of the state. The need for such festival which showcases Sikkim at a global pedestal was echoed by all the participants. It was agreed that such type of festival would go a long way in empowering the youths and in shaping a much better image for the state at national and international platforms. Today, during an interaction with the media at the office of Dr. Pimpa Chiring Bhutia, he stated that the manpower, infrastructure and experience of HPV vaccination, which was recently completed in the state with 33,000 girls aged 9 to 14 years, would help in COVID vaccination. He said the HPV vaccination was done in a mission mode but not in the COVID vaccination mission mode. The State Health Department is preparing for the vaccination as per the guidelines of the Indian government. Dr. Bhutia also informed that the first priority in vaccination will be given to the health workers as per the instruction of the Government of India, for which the department has already registered the names of the health workers, after which it will be given to the frontline workers. The third step is to vaccinate people over the age of 50. The Department of Health is assisting the Election Commission to compile the data. Dr. Bhutia stated that the COVID vaccine, which is likely to be manufactured in Oxford in a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, will probably be brought to India soon. He said that the necessary equipment is already available. The department has demanded 5 Bolero vehicles from the Indian government this time, as large vehicles are not suitable for importing vaccines from outside the state. The Chief Minister has assured that the government will provide the vehicles if the central government fails to provide them.
अब एउटा ठुलो कुरा तपाईलाई एक्जाम्पल दिन चाहे हामी तपाईलाई यादै हुनुभएको कुरा हो जस्तो रिसेन्टली हामीले 2019-20 मा हामीले एचपीवी भ्याक्सिनेसन गरेको थियो जसमा चाहिँ हामीले 33,000 9 to 14 इयर्सको नानीलाई कभरेज गरेको छौं सो त्यो हेर्दाखेरि हाम्रो लागि एउटा ठुलो एक्सपोजर त्यहीँबाट भएको छ, जुन चाहिँ इम्युनाइजेसन टिमलाई हामीले जुन पकाएको त्यो चाहिँ फेरि मिसन मोडमा गरेको। अहिले जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो यो चाहिँ एक्ज्याक्टली मिसन मोड भन्ने पनि होइन, एकैखेपमा सबै ठाउँ गर्नुपर्छ पनि छैन। अहिले चाहिँ उनीहरूले भोटिङ अनुसार बुथ टु बुथबाट गर्नुपर्छ भन्दैछ, अनि त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ हामीले त्यही पर प्रिपेयर छौँ। सो यो एउटा जुन चाहिँ हामीले एचपिभी भ्याक्सिनले चाहिँ हामीलाई ठुलो एक्सपिरियन्स दिएको छ। अर्को कुरा चाहिँ अब जब यसमा जुन चाहिँ गभर्मेन्ट अफ इन्डियाको गाइडलाइन्स अनुसार हामीले यो भ्याक्सिनेसन गर्नुपर्ने हो र जुन अनुसारले गभर्मेन्ट इन्डियाले भन्छ त्यही पर हामीले फर्दर बढ्दै जान्छौँ। जस्तो अहिले गभर्मेन्ट इन्डियाले भन्दैछ 30 करोड पपुलेसनलाई चाहिँ कभर गर्ने भनेको छ। 30 करोड पपुलेसन कभर गर्दा डोज 2टा 1 मन्थको ग्यापमा लाउँदा 2टा डोज गर्दाखेरि टोटल 60 करोड भ्याक्सिन चाहिएको छ हामीलाई। र यसमा चाहिँ उहाँले प्रायोरिटाइज गरेको छ। जस्तो अब फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटीमा चाहिँ हेल्थ वर्कर्स भनेको छ। सो हेल्थ वर्कर्समा जति पनि हेल्थमा काम गर्ने रिलेटेड मान्छेहरूलाई हामीले गरेर हामीले रेजिस्ट्रेसन गरिरहेका छौँ। एउटा दुईवटा छुट्टेको त्यो अझै पनि गर्दैछ, कतिजनाको प्यान नम्बर नमिलेर त्यस्तोहरू चाहिँ अलिक छुट्टेको हामी अहिले पनि गर्दैछौँ। तर मोरलेस हामीले सबै गरिसकेको छौँ र त्यसमा अराउन्ड 9000 जस्तो हाम्रो हेल्थ वर्कर्स छ। र सेकेन्ड लाइनमा चाहिँ हामी फ्रन्ट लाइन वर्कर्स भन्ने छ। सो त्यो पनि जुन दिन गभर्मेन्ट हामीले यहाँ अलरेडी कलेक्सन गरिसकेको छौँ, डाटाहरू हामी कलेक्सन गर्दैछौँ सबैकोबाट फ्रन्ट लाइन वर्कर्सहरूको। र जुन दिन गभर्मेन्ट इन्डियाले हामीले भन्छौँ उहाँहरूको पनि लो वेबसाइटमा हाल्नुमा हामी उहाँहरूको फ्रन्ट लाइन वर्कर्समा हालिहाल्छौँ सेकेन्ड फेजमा। त्यहाँदेखि थर्ड फेजमा मोर देन 50 इयर्स, कारण यो कोभिडमा हामीले हेरेको म्याक्सिमम् डेथ्सहरू भएको छ 50 इयर्स एन्ड एबभमा चाहिँ म्याक्सिमम् मोर्टालिटी भएको छ। त्यसले गर्दा गभर्मेन्ट इन्डियाले चाहिँ डिसिसन लिएर 50 इयर्स एन्ड एबभ सबको कभर गर्छु भनेको छ। त्यसले गर्दाखेरि हामी 50 एन्ड एबभ इयर्सको त्यहाँदेखि यसको बादमा हामी त्यो सबै लिन्छौँ। त्यसको लागि हामीले चाहिँ इलेक्सन डिपार्टमेन्टसँग हेल्प लिएको छौँ, कारण भोट हाल्नेहरूकोबाट लिस्ट निकाल्नु भनेर। सो त्यो पनि लिँदैछ, त्यो पनि हेर्छौँ। त्यो साथसाथमा हामी त्यहाँनिर त्यो एकखेप इलेक्सन डिपार्टमेन्टबाट त्यो लिस्ट आएपछि फेरि हामी हाम्रो आशा वर्कर्स र आनन्द वर्करसँग हेरेर एकखेप कन्फर्मेसन गरेर हामी त्यो 50 इयर्स एन्ड एबभ त्यो कभरेज गर्छौँ। त्यहाँदेखि फोर्थ फेजमा लेस देन 50 इयर्स विथ कोमोर्बिडिटिज, जसलाई अरू बिमारीहरू छ। सो त्यही पर हामी गर्दैछौँ। सो त्यही पाराले हामी जुन प्रकारले गभर्मेन्टले अब जब टाइम दिन्छौँ लु गरिहाल्नु भनेर जस्तो अब
Today, Sikkim Krantikari Morcha convened a coordination meeting at Zonal Office Pakyong, Zone 2 is Sikkim. The purpose of the meeting is to inform various issues of the party, to discuss the inaugural ceremony of Zonal Party Office, CM's visit in Nathang Machang constituency and strengthening of party activities in Zone 2. The program was chaired by MLA cum Sir Vice President Vishnu Kumar Khatiwara, followed by Advisor JB Basnet, Advisor cum Vice President in charge Zone 2 Inchung Bhutia, Area in charge Nathang Machang constituency Chiring Bhutia, President Zone 2 cum Sikkim Consumer Cooperative Society Chairman Santosh Kumar Pradhan, OSD 2 CM cum General Secretary Zone 2 Bhanu Pradhan, Chairman Housing Board Karmatashi Bhutia, Chairman Excise Department Ganja Bhutia, Chairman Culture Department Sonam Sherpa, General Secretary Press and Media Headquarter Bumchiring Yongzon, State Level Nari Vice Convener Prabha Pradhan, along with State Level Youth Wing Organization Secretary Gagan Gurung, Zone 2 Youth Wing Convener Sabin Subba, Nari Vice Convener Zone 2 Radha Rigmi and Linus Lepcha Laksam, Zone 2 Youth Wing Organization Secretary Sagar Subba, CLC President Hari Tangal, MB Gurung, CEC LM Yongzong, Senior Party Workers Nima Wangchuk Bhutia, Mitralal Sarma, others dignitaries and press and media executives. During the course of the meeting, 2 minutes morning ceremony was held to pay the last tribute for the departed soul of late Harimaya Dulal, mother of MLA EM Prasad Dulal. Sikkim Youth Foundation resource person Akshay Aditya Lama from Mumbai, Maharashtra was honored today with the Kumud Bhushan Kala Sanskriti Samman at the 28th annual ceremony of Itwa Hindi Seva Nidhi. It was held in the memory of Justice Prem Sankar Gupta. The Kumud Bhushan Kala Sanskriti Award has been named after Kumud Bhushan, theatre artist and wife of eminent lawyer and former Union Minister Santi Bhushan. Akshay Aditya Lama received this award from the former Governor of West Bengal, Mr. Keshari Nath Tripathi, and Judge of Allahabad High Court who had delivered the verdict of Ram Mandir, Mr. Sudhir Agrawal, in the ceremony held at North Central Zone Cultural Center, Pragyaraj, Uttar Pradesh. Akshay Aditya Lama is a well-known writer and director. He has written more than 3,000 episodes, including several serials like Kumkum, Pyar Ke Do Naam, Ek Radha Ek Shyam, Jilmil Sitaro Ka Angan Hoga. He is also the author of the well-known drama Mohenjo-daro. In addition, he is the first writer-director to make films in the Naga language. His Naga language film Nani Teri Morni Indian Paranoma has gained fame at several international film festivals, including the International Film Festival of India, which was held in Goa. His next commercial film Toba Tera Jalwa is to be screened in cinema houses very soon. The movie will be starring Amisha Patel, Rajesh Sharma, Jatin Khurana and Neeraj Sood. Prior to Akshay Aditya Lama, the award had been received by film director Tigmanshu Dulal, famous writer and voice of Samay in India TV serial Mahabharat, Mr. Harish Bhimani, and a remarkable film writer and theatre personality Atul Tiwari. District Panchayat Jeevan Gurung of Dodak and Bariakhop blocks under Dharamdin constituency of West Sikkim has provided assistance to 3 ICDS and 1 PHC from the district fund by providing 20 chairs. A few months ago, the district panchayat and party officials visited 3 areas and the beneficiaries demanded for chairs. Keeping in view the same demand, 20 chairs have been distributed to Bariakhop ICDS, Dodok ICDS. Keeping the same demand in view, 20 chairs have been distributed to Bariakhop ICDS, Dodok ICDS, Thongling ICDS and Dodok PHC today. The Rinchepong election level meeting of the All Sikkim Scheduled Caste Adok Committee was held today at the community building of West Sikkim Sri Badam School. The meeting was attended by Mr. Jagdish Century, State Level President of Sikkim Kantikari Morcha SC Cell, as well as Chief Advisor Mr. J.S. Male, Mr. Hari Sankar, Election Level In Charge Mr. Purba Chering Bhutia, Election Level President and other leaders along with members. In the meeting, which started with the lighting of lamps in the picture of Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar, various speakers discussed about the upliftment of the caste and the various schemes to be started as well as the organizational elections. In his address, Mr. Jagdish Century, President SKMSC Win, said that the government was positive about the upliftment of the scheduled caste, and after the election of the organization, he met the Chief Minister P.S. Thamang and discussed all the issues in detail. A one-day health camp was also organized on the occasion with the help of Gaging Hospital. The 15th Meritorious Scholarship and Award Decoration Ceremony was held today in the auditorium of Tharpu Government Higher Secondary School, West Sikkim, under the auspices of Himakarna Sancharani Memorial Society. Senior citizen and former Panchayat Vice President B.D. Sharma was the chief guest in the program. It was organized with the objective of motivating the students in the field of education. Former Minister R.B. Subba, Mrs. Lachung Serpa, Gram Panchayat, District Panchayats, AD of the Department of Human Resource Development, Principals, Headmasters, Sukhveer Khewa, President, SYSP, local dignitaries and teachers were present. The Memorial Society has awarded this year's scholarship to Avinash Adhikari, a student of Tharpu Senior Secondary School who scored 80.2% from Humanities in the AISSC examination in the academic session 2019-20 from Soreng constituency. Chief guest B.D. Sharma had stated that the former Minister R.B. Subba had initiated this great endeavor with the objective of encouraging the students in the field of education by establishing a society in the memory of his late parents. Teachers from Darjeeling Hills have decided to take to the streets on 10th January. They have also decided to hold a public meeting at Chowk Bazaar after holding a peace rally from the local railway station premises. A meeting of various teachers' organizations in the Darjeeling Hills was held today at the local Gurkha Grief Relief Conference building to discuss the issue. Speaking to reporters, Anil Sharma, president of the United Secondary Teachers Association, said that the teachers would take to the street on 10th January with slogans such as Peace, Prosperity, Education is the Weapon, New Thought, New Ideas, Teachers in the Mountain Interest. He further said that at present the political situation in the Darjeeling Hills is becoming uncertain. In such a situation, it is the responsibility of the intelligentsia to guide the people of the Darjeeling Hills in the right direction. The teachers are going to take to the streets on January 10th to save the hills from political inconsistencies along with the educational system of Darjeeling. He had earlier stated that the political instability in the Darjeeling Hills had also adversely affected the education of hill students. Sharma said that the teachers have decided to draw the attention of the general public on this issue. He also informed that representatives of United Secondary Teachers Association, Hill Terai Primary Teachers Association, MSK, SSK, GTA Headmasters Association were present in the meeting that was held today. Our Hathway channel has already been telecasted, so don't forget to watch our upcoming news and programs on Hathway channel number 325. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Hamro Varta Television.